Next tweet is called Record Pause, iOS 9 and up. Pause resume video recording. So if you like me, you're a YouTuber, or if you do a lot of videos, and if you from your camera, instead of you have to edit, stop and edit, stop and edit, and you could literally just pause it, and it saves you a lot of time when you have to edit, and it's just more convenient. So I think Apple should have added this originally to iOS, but they have not. There's actually an app you could get from the App Store that does this. I forgot what it's called. I made a video on it before, but there are some App Store apps that you can pause. I think it's called pause video recording. But you can literally search up on the App Store and get an app that does this. But this just adds that feature to your camera. To your stock camera app. So when you go to your stock camera app, you hold on, you press record, and when to pause, you hold on to the record button, like how you would end it, and then it'll pause. It'll be yellow, so it'll pause it. So it does support iOS 9 and up. I do not think it does support iOS 14, but it does support iOS 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Next is called Draw iOS, and it's just a theme, so that's what it looks like. Next is called Descent UI, set mood with fresh UI. Next is called Safe Shutdown, compatible with iOS 10 to 13. $1.99. It aims to help you avoid having to jailbreak after your device runs out of battery. So it puts its initial phase shutdown, so it saves the most batteries it can, and also you charge it, you should be able to get your phone back on out of the safe shutdown mode, and since it doesn't technically shut down all the way, you won't lose your jailbreak. So another amazing tweet is called Web Message, and just like I forgot that tweet's name, but just like the other tweak where you could send messages from so you could view messages from your computer, your iPhone messages. This tweak basically does the same thing. So you also do need a client installed to use this on your computer, and has not been tested fully on iOS 12 yet. It's still in early stages. It just came out. It basically real-time sending and receiving messages, sending attachments from computer. So you send attachments from computer, you can receive and send messages from the computer that you get on your iPhone. Pretty cool. Next is called Notifica 8 Notification Customizer. Notifica 8, it makes the iOS 7 notification center like the iOS 8 beta. Next is called Mishusha Beta. This is called Mishusha Forever, real-time auto visualizer for your iOS device. This is called Utopia, no home feed ads, no video ads, no background playback, officially hosted by MyXXDev. So if this does not work on YouTube, you have to downgrade YouTube until this tweak does work. This is called mshut, and truly mute chats and messages. So this tweak mshut, like I just said, hate the badges that count on messages when media chat arrives. Get this tweak automatically marked as messages at read. This is called iCleaner Pro, compatible with iOS 4.x to 14.x. Real first iOS system cleaner, optimizer, removes unnecessary files from your device, and allows it to adjust to your liking. Tweak is called Enlighten, and with this tweak, it's night mode for iOS camera based on OpenCV. So you see right there, that's the difference of it. This is called MagSafe, MagSafe charge indicator, just like iOS 14, but what's on iOS 12 and 13 as well. This is called Rocket for Instagram, and save posts and view stories anonymously, and do much more. It's like an Instagram plus alternative. You have all these features right here. This is called Checkra1n. It's allows you to create multiple containers per application, so you can have different accounts for your apps and games. So which is called Puck, and it's your magical watching spirit, prevent the need of re-jailbreaking. So it's just like a safe shutdown tweak alternative. There's also another tweak called Blue Time, estimate time left for your wireless headphones, no step required, works with all W1 and H1 enabled devices. Which is called Cover Flow M, landscape music styles for music app. Last tweet is a theme called Kaboo, unique theme created with Procreate. Using my iPad Pro, using an Apple Pencil. So we're going to see exactly this tweak, and that's what it looks like. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. Catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.